Hello children, welcome to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, today's class is the revision class for Unit 1, okay? That is numbers, okay? Now children, please open page number 7. Please open page number 7. Let us do some exercise, okay? So the first question is, the number of test matches played by some countries is given below. First, write the number names alongside each and then arrange them in ascending and descending order. Okay. So, first you have to write the number names for all the numbers and then you have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, ma'am? So, these are the test matches played by some countries. That the number of test matches played by West Indies is 535 and the number of test matches played by Australia is 812 and the number of test matches played by New Zealand is 426 and last India is 523. So children, you have to write the number names for all these numbers and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay children? So children, first write the number name of 535. Okay? So please write the number name of 535. 535. So children, don't write any and here. Okay? So while you are speaking only, you have to use 535. But while you are writing, you don't need to write and. Okay? So 535. The next one, 812. Okay? So write 812. The next one, 426. 426. Then the last one, 523. So children, please copy this in your book. Please pause the video and copy this in your book. Next, you have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. First, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, ma? So, what is ascending order? Yes, you have to arrange the numbers from small number to big number. Okay. So, among these four numbers, which one is the smaller number, ma? Yes, 426. The next small number is? Yes, 523. Because the tens place value for this number is 2 and tens place value for this number is 3. So 2 is smaller. So the next small number is 523 and the next small number is 535 and the last one is 812. Okay children. Now arrange these numbers in descending order. So descending order means, yes, arrange the numbers from bigger number to small number. So here the bigger number is 812 and next bigger number is 535 and next bigger number is 523 and the last number is 426. Okay children, now let's move to the question number 2. So the question number 2 is, write numerals for the following number names. Write numerals for the following number names. Okay, so you have to write the number for this number name. Okay ma? So the first one is 434. 434. Okay, so the 100 means 3-digit number, so 434. Okay children, 619. 100, this is 3-digit number. Okay, so you have to write 619. Okay, okay children, please write this in your notebook. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Fill in the blanks to complete the patterns given below. Fill in the blanks to complete the patterns. Okay, so the first question is 267, 277 and in between number you have to find it and 297. Okay, so children, if you want to find the pattern, you have to find the difference between two consecutive numbers. Okay, so here the difference between these two consecutive number is 10, because here the tens place value only changed. Okay, look at this, 6 and the tens place value for this number is 7. Okay, so only the tens place value is changed. So the difference between these two consecutive number is 10. Okay, now add 10 to this number and find the next number. Yes, 267, 277 and 287. Now add 10 to this number. Yes, you will get 297. Then add 10 to this number, you can get 307, and if you are adding 10 to this number you can get 317. Okay children, now move on to the next question. 619, 617, 615. Okay, so children, find the difference between first two consecutive numbers. Yeah, here the changes has been made in the ones place. Okay, how much it changed ma? 2. Increasing or decreasing? Decreasing by 2. Okay, look at this, 9, 7, 5. Okay, so it decreased by 2 in ones place. Okay, so next you have to subtract 2 from this number, so you can get 613. Again you have to subtract 2 from this number, you can get 611. Again you have to subtract 2 from this number, you can get 609. Okay children, now let's move on to the next question. 425, 430, 435. Then you have to write the next number. Okay, so first you have to find the difference between these two numbers. Okay, so here the ones place value and the tens place value, both the values are changed. Okay, so how much is changed? 5. Okay, so the difference between these two number is 5, whether it's increase or decrease. Yes, increasing by 5. Okay ma'am, so if you are adding 5 to this number, you can get 435, and if you are adding 5 to this number, you can get 440. Next, 445, 450. Then again, if you are adding 5 to this number, you can get 455. Okay, children? Okay, please copy this in your notebook. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Each abacus given below represents the number of ODIs played by an Indian cricketer. Write the number shown on each abacus. Okay. So in ODI series, the MS Dhoni is scored this much points. Okay. So here the ones place is there, tens place and hundred place. Okay. This is 3-digit number. So you have to find MS Dhoni score how much runs. Okay, MS Dhoni score how much runs in ODI series. Okay, ma? So first write the 100 place value. Okay, count and write how much is there in the 100 place. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 beats. Okay, so write 3 and next count it. The tens place how much beats? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Then last one in the ones place 1. Okay. So the MS Dhoni scored runs in ODI series is 341. Next find Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. So in 100 place count the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Then in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the tens place value is 6 and in ones place count and say yes 1, 2, 3. Okay. 463. Okay. So the Sachin Tendulkar's scored runs in ODI is 463. Okay. Next Rohit Sharma. Okay. So count the 100 place values. Yes, 1, 2. So write 2. The next tens place. Yes, there is no beads is here. So write 0. Then in ones place. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the Rohit Sharma score runs in ODI is 205. Okay, ma'am. Now let's move on to the next question. The number of runs scored in 1 year by some famous batsman in 2020 internationals is given below. Represent each number on the abacus. Okay, children. So here some of the batsmen they are scored runs in 2020 cricket match is given below. So first the Virat Kohli scored in 2020 for 1 year. Okay, 2020 match for 1 year is 641. So you have to mark their numbers according to their place value. Okay, their runs according to their place value. So Virat Kohli scored 641. So these are 3-digit number. So the values are ones, tens and 100. So in ones place the value is 1. So you have to mark 1 beats. And in tens place there is the value is 4. So you have to mark 4 beads. Draw 4 beads. Okay. And in 100 place the value is 6. So you have to draw 6 beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, children. Then a same draw runs in the abacus for Shikhar Dhawan. Yes, in ones place the value is 1 and in the tens place the value is 0. So don't need to mark. and in 100 place the value is 3. So draw 3 beads in 100 place. Okay, now next move on to KL Rahul runs, that is 314. So according to their place value, you have to mark the beads. The ones place, you have to draw 4 beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the tens place, you have to draw 1 beads. And in the 100 place, you have to draw 3 beads. Okay. Now children, please copy this in your notebook. Now let's move on to the sixth question. Write the number of runs scored by batsman given in question 5 above in expanded form. Okay. So you have to write these numbers. That means the batsman scored by the 2020 match runs, you have to expand the runs. Okay. So the first question is 641. So this is 3-digit number, isn't it? So first you have to expand the 641. So first write 600 plus 40 plus 1. Okay, 641. 3-digit number, they have ones, tens and hundreds. So 600, 4 tens and 1 ones. So it's same. You can do the next question. At the same, children, please do the next question. Yes, 300 plus 0. Okay, in the tens place the value is 0 and in the ones place the value is 1. Now do the third one. Yes, 300 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, ma? So children, please copy this in your book. Okay, now let's move to the last question. That is, some of the highest wicket partnerships in ODIs are given below in expanded form. Write the numerals alongside each. Okay. So the question is, some of the highest wicket partnerships in ODIs are given below in expanded form. Write the numerals along each. For the first wicket, they scored, the partnership is 200 plus 80 plus 6. Okay, so you have to write the numerals. This is 3-digit number. So you have to write the 3 numbers. 200 means 2 and 80 means 8 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so the first wicket, the partnership is 286. And the second wicket, the partnership is 300 plus 70 plus 2. So 300s, 7 tens and 2 ones. 372. And the fifth wicket, they scored, the partnership is 200 plus 50 plus 6. So you have to write 200, 5 tens and 6 ones. 256. Then the sixth wicket, the partnership scored by the batsmen are 200 plus 60 plus 7. So 200, 6 tens and 7 ones. Okay. So children, please copy this in your book. Okay children, in today's class we finished exercise in the books page number 7 and 8. Okay. So children, please in your book. Okay. Okay ma, this is the end of today's class. See you in the next class. Bye and happy learning.